successful, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Daniela and I am your stylish wealth coach. So today we're gonna be talking about 5 side hustles that any full-time employee can do on the side to make more money. So these side hustles are specifically for those people who are full-time employees but want to do something at home and still make a lot of money and be really lucrative but not take that much effort from them because they already have a full-time job. All right, you guys, the number one in my opinion is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is such a great way to make money passively because you don't have to have a product, you don't have to market the product, you don't have to do anything. You just have to have a product that will get a product or know about a product that you really support and tell your friends about it or post it on your story, and that's it. You don't have to run a business and worry about the inventory or whatever else the case may be. You literally just need to share a link with other people. All right, and the thing is, affiliate marketing is so easy to access now, and I would highly recommend anybody who's working full-time but doesn't have a lot of time to use Amazon. You guys, you can literally create an affiliate program on Amazon in literally, quite literally 30 seconds. Okay, I created mine a while back, but it took me 30 seconds to create an affiliate program on Amazon. And guess what, you can literally search any product you've ever bought on Amazon, and if you're telling your friend about it, your relative about it, whatever the case may be, just get your personal link from that product and send it to your friend, and they're gonna buy it because they want to buy the product you got. But guess what, you get 15% of that back in your pocket. Why are you not doing affiliate marketing? So if you got like an oven or like a furniture, something like really big that costs you maybe $1,500, imagine getting that 15% back because you send it to your friend. And think about how many friends you could send it to that need this product but can make you money. I think this is just one of the best ways to make a side hustle and possibly a full-time income long run, because as you do affiliate marketing, it's like exponential growth because people are always going to be sharing your link without even knowing you guys. So I would most definitely say do affiliate marketing. Now, you don't have to just do Amazon. You can do people's courses, you can do products online, you can do anything really, as long as you can apply for their affiliate program and get your personalized link. You can just share it. The reason why I said Amazon is because Amazon is so easily accessible. Everyone uses Amazon, and a lot of people, well, I don't know anybody who doesn't shop at Amazon, honestly. So it's just a place where it doesn't feel like you're selling. It's just like, oh, I got this on Amazon, here, you want to get it too, like here's a link. It's really helpful. You can post it on your stories or whatever the case may be. But even if you are someone who is on social media and you love some of your favorite influencers, some of those people, they also have affiliate programs where if you sell their course or if you sell their product or whatever, you get a certain amount back. So you can see. And I will always advocate people that you like, products that you actually advocate for, so you don't feel like you're selling. You're just like, oh my gosh, I love this product, or oh my god, I love this restaurant, whatever the case may be. And so it doesn't feel like you're selling. You're literally just telling a friend about something that's really cool that you want them to check out, and it's just that easy. So I would highly recommend affiliate marketing, number one. Number two, I would say, is Turo. You guys, Turo is such a great opportunity for those of you who are working from home, because a lot of us are not using our cars like that. And it's just like, why are we just paying this car bill because we needed to go to church? Well, I do, or you need to run some errands or whatever you do on weekends. But during the week, they're 9 to 5, you at home working from home, and your car is sitting outside losing value. What? You need to put that car on Turo, and you need to list it so that people can rent your car from you, and you can charge them a fee for renting your car. There's just so many reasons why people rent cars, but that doesn't matter because you're gonna put your car on Turo and make some money. Okay, I think that's a great way to make some passive income, a side hustle, without really thinking about it. You get somebody to sign up, you can put on Turo when the car is available, so you get to pick when it's available. Like nobody else does it for you, right? Because you're the business owner. So you just choose what the hours are and anything like that, and you choose your fee as well. And I would just research on Turo what people rent their cars for the car that you have, so you know what the price range is. And that's it. And all you do whenever the people come, you give them the key, and then when they come back, you take the key from them. Like, that's it. That's a great thing to do, especially for those of you who are full-time employees that want extra money but don't necessarily have the time to do so. Hey, just popping to remind you to go ahead and hit the like button if you're enjoying this video, and also if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a video. Okay, yes, and also comment down below if it's the first time seeing my face and I want to say hi to you. All right, let's go back to the video. The next side hustle is reading. This might be like, what, reading? But yes, you can read a book for someone who's trying to do an audiobook. You can do voiceovers. There are so many ways that you can make money just from your voice and reading things out loud, because a lot of people are creating digital products and they need people to read them out loud to make them, you know, things that people can just listen to on audiobooks or things like that. And all you do is just type in reading gigs, your city, and guess what, you guys, you can make an average of $300 a day just from reading things out loud and having it recorded so people can use it for their companies, for whatever it is that they need. And I think especially today, because a lot of people are becoming entrepreneurs, a lot of people are you know, writing books, they're creating digital products, and they need people to put these things out there with an audio version. And that's where you come in. You come in there, you read it, maybe you say, okay, after work you're reading something for 3 hours, and you are making money that way, or you 3 times a week, whatever the case may be. But if you're making $200 a day, that's a really great side hustle to have 3 times a week or whatever you want to do. So I would highly recommend that as well. All right, you guys, number 4 is social media management. All right, this one is really great for those of you who love social media but don't want to do it for themselves. I know I have a lot of friends who love social media. They get on social media all the time, but they don't want to build a brand for themselves. They just want to help other people do it. You can get paid for this. There are a lot of people, and don't even want you to think about like big companies or whatever. Like, just think about regular day people that are trying to get more sales and they need social media to do so. So maybe your local doctor, chiropractors, dentists, you know, lawyers, accountants, people who are literally everyday people, you know, but they run businesses as their practice and they're not using social media to get more clients. And we know that in this day and age, the best way to get clients is to get on social media. All right, it's no longer TV ads. TV ads still work, but social media is the fastest and cheapest way to get. So you can literally say, hey, I'll make a post for you per day for $500 a month or whatever the case may be, and maybe you have 2 or 3 clients that you do that for, and that's a great side hustle. So if they just send you pictures, you create some captions for them, you create like little reel videos or whatever the case may be, something that's really simple, because again, it's just for the everyday you know, type of entrepreneur, a dentist, a doctor, something like that, where it doesn't have to take you like too much effort to think about. They'll give you all the information, you just make a post about it. That's going to give them a tremendous value. They're going to have money to pay you, and you're not really putting too much thought into this, because you're just making like a post or 2 a day, or maybe 3 posts a week or whatever. Some people don't even want to post that much, and if you have maybe 3 to 4 clients, that's a really good side hustle to have. The 5th one I will say is YouTube. Now that might sound like super overwhelming, because people say YouTube is like really hard and it's a long-term game. I do think YouTube is a long-term game, but I think that people who are full-time employees have so much to offer and they don't realize it. Sometimes we don't realize that like our very professions can help us help someone else get to that profession and teach somebody else about it. So I feel like the easiest thing to do as a full-time employee is to talk about your job. What do you do? How did you get there? How did you get into it? How can people get into it? And you'll be speaking to a lot of people about, you know, what you do at your job, dating life at your job. People literally want to know about what professions are, what they look like, what you do, and you can literally be doing that, and it's not like extra effort because you already doing this every day anyway. So you're just talking about how you got into your job, what you do at your job, and how can somebody else do what you do. The other thing that you can do on YouTube is to teach something that you already know. So maybe it's a tutorial, a DIY, maybe you're teaching about something you're really passionate about. I would say kind of in the passion area, something you can teach or show how to do something. I will caveat with the fact that on YouTube you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watched on your channel in order to start getting paid. It didn't always used to be like that, but that is the rule now since 2019, I believe. So that's something to keep in mind. It probably is more of a long-term game on YouTube, but if it's something that you love to do, I think it's a great idea to build passive income while you're still working full-time. You can record on your phone, edit on your phone, and post. You can maybe record 1 video per week. You don't have to make it super hard for yourself, but that is a great thing to do, especially when it starts picking up. It'll be an awesome side hustle to have, and maybe even a full-time income soon. I know I already have 5, but I want to go ahead and give you guys a bonus, because this one is, I think, another amazing thing to do. So you can literally sell a informational product. So it can be something that you created. You can literally get on a video, talk for 20 minutes about something that you really know really well, and you know it's going to help somebody else, and maybe sell that video for $10, you guys. And you know that that video is going to be really quality information. Maybe it has a handout with there. It may be how to play the flu, or it may be how to file your taxes. It can literally be anything that you know you're really good at, and you know that it's valuable enough to sell for. for. But you sit one day and you record the video, or you write down the plan or the ebook or whatever, and then you just sell it to your friend, you tell people about it, you post on social media about it, or you put it on in your YouTube videos, right? And that is such a good side hustle, you guys, because once you finish the video, once you finish the product, it just keeps selling itself. It doesn't require you to do anything after that, and the value remains the same. So I would definitely recommend informational products are awesome. Courses, ebooks, PDFs, you know, tutorials that are things that people have to pay for are so good these days, because people want quick ways to learn something. They don't want to like, you know, go through a 6-month course. They just want something quick. So if you're really good at something and you know you have value that people need, create a course, create an informational product, whatever the case may be, and sell it. And you'll be surprised of how well it does, because it will be valuable and people will actually need it. And I talk all about how to properly, you know, get all of your write-offs and save a lot of money on taxes just by starting a business. This is really, really key. So I'll have the link down below in the description box on how you can do that for yourself. I have a video about it, and I also have an amazing tool that you can use to really make sure you're saving a lot of money on taxes and you're launching your business and you're just doing great. Okay, I would highly recommend that. All right, and that's the end of this video. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and let me know down below in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. And also, of course, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I have a lot more fun on there, and I post a lot more business and wealth coaching type of posts and content. So go ahead and follow me on there and DM me, let me know you came from this video, and I will be so happy to show you love. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.